What's the mega way? The mega way. What's the mega way? Hey.
Sawadee Namaste, Mingalaba, and all the ways we can greet without touching each other. Dear friends, my colleagues all over the world, everybody from the driver, the guard, the maids, the factory worker, the packing line, pharmacist, the mixing team, the gelatin team, in-cab operators, tableters, right up to the pharmacists, the lab people, the analysts, the QA managers and the QA assistants. Everybody you name in the front line, in the warehouse, from the receiving clerks to the ones who pick and pack, to the ones who sit on the truck and deliver and go out every day to make sure our products are delivered to every outlet along the world wherever we are. Our colleagues sitting and still working on business development, finding us products, talking to suppliers every day. Our colleagues going to the doctors, talking to them, meeting them online, keeping the pharmacies alive and happy, making sure they recommend our products, all our sales reps. Our marketing people devising plans every day how to reach out to consumers. Our IT people sitting around and ensuring that we have our systems are working and we can now communicate through Teams and through other mechanisms and Zoom and still collaborate. Our finance people sitting in the back end still closing our books on time, reporting, running our board meetings, paying dividends at the same time, closing our books and ensuring every customer is paid. So, not to forget anybody, the secretaries and just about everybody in Mega in the 33 countries where we are, the 6,000 over people. I mean, we, all of you, each one of you, thank you. It's been a very difficult period starting from February. We have survived. We have come up to the end of April now, it's nearly 2 months, then all these things came into place. Different stages, different countries, lockdown, closed down, some allow, some do alternate, men and women in Peru. So there are different models working in place and honestly I don't have the answer. There are so many different views. Is a full lockdown good? Is a partial lockdown better? Is Sweden doing a better job? Is America suffering because of various problems? Are we safe for various reasons if we lock down? But the fact is that all of you around the world have been disciplined. You have maintained good health and hygiene, kept yourself clean, washed your hands, maintained social distance, and done everything right. When you went home, you didn't go out, you stayed home, you didn't interact and bring the virus in to wherever you work. So first of all, thank you. It requires a lot of discipline, but it also requires us to be true. This company is all about you. And I must say thank you, thank you, thank you. It's not enough to say thank you. But dear friends, this is not over yet. Yes, we have passed the first phase. We have continued to do business. But life is going to get tougher. But there are a lot of people in this world who are suffering, who will not have jobs, who won't get back to the same level as they were before it all started. Hotels, tourism, planes, flights, and many businesses connected to it. Many more, from automobiles, etc. People not buying products, malls not open. So I think earnings will drop, footfalls are dropping, hospitals will see less people, and pharmacies will have less people going in there. There will be changes in our business, how we talk, how we discuss, and how we reach out to our consumers. So it won't be the same, that's for sure. But in this not being the same, it also gives us a big chance in our life to change. We talk all the time, the mega way, thinking, that we're learning, reading, opening our minds to various options. Life is not only one way, you keep learning and you keep changing. And we used to talk about it, how do you learn and how do you change? You change in the right direction. We can change. I can change my hair color, I can wear a wig. But that won't change who I am. So to make real changes, we have to do real things. So I think this is an opportunity for us to change as well. Change for good reasons, change in the world where we live in, play a role to help the environment, make this a better world for people who will come and live in it after us, our children, our future, who will continue to live in this world. Make a change in the way you live your lives, walk, run, exercise, make a change in the way you eat. Our health is in our own hands, right? We can be in the hospital all our time, we can take drugs as much as we like. If we need to, yes, we have to, but the model that we are promoting every day, good health by yourself, we have a very active responsibility to look after our health. So I think there's a lot of opportunity for us to make those changes, right from design, the way we communicate with our consumers. I mean, instead of, we have a product, we go with a pill, we have a better formula, but can we become part of their lives where we can help them to be healthier? I think everybody in this world wants to be healthy. So at Mega, all of you have this great chance to make change within yourself and then pass this change around to the world where we live in. My dear friends, this is a very, very, very great opportunity for us. I know it's going to be tough. I know it's not going to be easy the next 1-2 years of our life. But who is better prepared than us? With the wellness center, with the science behind it, with the right products that we have in the countries where we are, I think we can make a difference. I still remember my first video that I made, and I said, with these 4,000 people, now we have 6,600 people. And now we have 33 countries, not 21. We can make a difference. And this is our chance to make that difference. I challenge you to change. It's a change yourself challenge. So let us all challenge ourselves to bring this change in the company. But don't forget, this is not over. So don't stop doing what we are doing last week, last 2 weeks, last 3 weeks, last month. Follow that discipline. Wear your mask. Wash your hands. Do everything right. Keep distance. Stay healthy. And only then can we propagate health around the world that we live in. So I wish you good health, and I want to request you, ask you with my folded hands, please maintain that discipline and continue on this path, because we as Mega can help the world by not burdening the countries we live in and helping them to change. Wish you all the best, and let us continue doing what we have done in the last few months. And I hope and I believe that we will come out of it together. Thank you once again, and Swadikap, Namaste, Mingalaba, and all the other words that I cannot remember. But once again, thank you so much.
Mega, we care.